Ever wondered how to dress popular? Got a burning desire to transform your style and make heads turn? In today's world, fashion and style are more than just clothing. They're an expression of who you are. Over the course of this video, we'll explore 6 key areas that can help you nail that popular look. From achieving healthy, happy hair to mastering the magic of makeup, from wardrobe wonders to thoughtful accessorizing, to nailing the nail game and realizing the importance of attitude. Stick around as we navigate through the world of fashion and style, one outfit at a time. The first step to looking popular starts at the top: your hair. It's like your personal crown, a natural accessory that can make or break your overall look. So, how do you ensure your hair is always looking its best? It's simple: keep it healthy. Healthy hair doesn't just happen overnight. It requires consistent care and attention. Regular trims are a must to keep split ends at bay and maintain a neat appearance. But don't stop there. Shine-enhancing products can add that extra gloss and glamour to your hair, making it look vibrant and full of life. And let's not forget about frizz control. There's nothing more frustrating than unruly hair, but the right products can help tame the frizz and keep your hair smooth and manageable. Now let's talk hairstyles. From cute braids to messy buns and even elegant French braids, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what suits you best. Remember, your hairstyle should complement your personality and your outfit, not overshadow them. And then there are hair accessories. Bobby pins, hair clips, bands, and even berets can be your best friends when it comes to styling your hair. These little details can elevate your entire look, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance. So invest in good quality hair accessories and learn how to use them effectively. Remember, the right hairstyle can be the perfect cherry on top of your fashion sundae. Moving on to the canvas of self-expression makeup. It's not just about color and creativity, but also about subtlety and finesse. Makeup can be the magic wand that enhances your natural beauty, rather than overshadowing it. Imagine your face as a blank canvas. You wouldn't want to saturate it with every color in the palette, would you? A soft foundation that matches your skin tone, a concealer to hide any blemishes or dark circles, a light eyeshadow to add a touch of sparkle to your eyes, mascara to elongate your lashes, eyeliner to define them, and a lip gloss to give your lips a natural shine. These are the basics that can work wonders. Remember, less is more. You're not trying to mask your face, but rather, you're enhancing what is already there. But don't let the basics limit you. Makeup is an art, and you are an artist. Feel free to experiment, create your own trends. Maybe a dash of color on your eyelids resonates with your vibrant personality, or perhaps a bold lip color speaks volumes about your confidence. Try unique looks that reflect who you are. There's no right or wrong when it comes to self-expression. After all, makeup is a form of self-love, a way to celebrate your individuality. So go ahead, pick up that brush and let your creativity flow. With the right makeup, you can create a masterpiece on your own face. Now let's dive into the heart of fashion, your wardrobe. This is where the magic happens, where an outfit comes to life, and where your personality shines through. Trendy clothes, they're crucial. But remember, trends change like the wind. So, what's the secret? Gradually incorporate what's popular into your wardrobe. Be observant, see what's trending around you. It's all about striking that delicate balance between blending in and standing out. Durability matters too, so invest wisely. Now let's talk thrift shopping. Some may dismiss it, but here's a secret. Thrift stores are treasure chests of fashion. You might discover hidden gems that set you apart. With a keen eye, you can find unique pieces that not only make you look good but also feel special. So don't shy away from thrift stores. Embrace them. Let's go over some fashion staples. We all have our favorites, but here are a few that you can't go wrong with. Skinny jeans. They're versatile and flattering. They can be dressed up or down, perfect for any occasion. V-neck solid tops, a classic chic choice. Pair it with a statement necklace and you're good to go. Short shorts and mini skirts, perfect for those warmer days. They're fun, flirty, and add a youthful vibe to your look. Pretty tank tops, ideal for layering. Pair them with a cardigan or a blazer for a more polished look. Hoodies and sweaters, cozy yet stylish. They're your best friends during chilly days. Uggs, moccasins, and knee-length boots, comfortable and fashionable. They can add an edge to your outfit, making you look effortlessly chic. Remember, your wardrobe is an extension of your personality. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about expressing yourself. So dress to impress, but most importantly, dress to express. What's an outfit without the perfect accessories? Indeed, accessories are the finishing touch that can transform an ordinary ensemble into something extraordinary. Let's start with scarves. They are versatile and can add flair to any outfit. A vibrant scarf can bring a pop of color to a neutral outfit, while a silk scarf can add a touch of elegance. Next up, statement jewelry. A chunky necklace or a pair of dangly earrings can instantly elevate your look. They can turn a simple t-shirt and jeans combo into a chic ensemble. Remember, the key is to balance. If you're wearing a statement necklace, keep your earrings simple, and vice versa. Belts, on the other hand, are not just functional. They can also cinch your waist and give you a polished appearance. And of course, we can't forget sunglasses. Not only do they protect your eyes, but they also add an instant cool factor to your look. Accessories are the exclamation point to a woman's outfit. Make it count. Let's not forget the tiniest detail that makes a big difference. Nails. A well-groomed hand speaks volumes about your attention to detail. Regular manicures, or even just keeping your nails clean and neatly trimmed, can make a significant impact. Now you might think, it's just nails, right? But imagine shaking hands with someone, typing on your laptop at a coffee shop, or even just casually flipping your hair back. Your nails are always on display. They're like the unsung heroes of your overall look. Whether you're a fan of bold colors, soft pastels, or prefer a more natural look, there's a nail style that perfectly matches your vibe. Experiment with different shapes and lengths to discover what suits you best. Remember, it's not about following trends blindly. It's about finding what works for you and making it your own. Nails are the period at the end of the sentence. They complete the look. Finally, the most crucial element of all, your attitude. Fashion, hairstyles, makeup, they all contribute to your look, but it's your attitude that truly defines you. When you walk into a room, your attitude walks in with you. It's the invisible accessory that can make or break your popularity. A great attitude is about more than just a smile. It's about being genuine, being kind, and being true to who you are. It's about treating others with respect and showing them that you value their presence. It's about being a positive force, a source of kindness that people want to be around. Popularity isn't just about appearance, it's about the energy you radiate, the vibe you give off. It's about how you make people feel when they're around you. The most popular people are often those who make others feel good about themselves, who lift them up rather than bring them down. But remember, being true to yourself is more important than fitting into any mold. Embrace your unique style, your quirks, your individuality. Don't try to be someone you're not, because authenticity is more attractive than any outfit, any hairstyle, any makeup look. Your attitude, your kindness, your authenticity, these are the things that truly make you stand out. These are the things that make you popular. So cultivate a great attitude, be kind, be genuine, and above all, be you. Remember, fashion is about expressing yourself. Adapt these tips to your taste and you'll radiate confidence and style. And that's a wrap on how to dress popular. We've journeyed through the world of fashion, starting with the importance of maintaining healthy, happy hair. Remember, small accessories like hair clips and bobby pins can elevate your look to a whole new level. Next, we dived into the realm of makeup magic, where less is indeed more. Don't forget to experiment and create your own trends. Our voyage then took us into the heart of wardrobe wonders. Incorporating trendy clothes and thrift shop finds into your wardrobe can help you stand out. Accessorizing thoughtfully is key, with items such as scarves, statement jewelry, belts, and sunglasses adding that extra flair. Don't overlook the importance of well-groomed nails. And above all, remember that a great attitude and genuine kindness matter the most. Remember, popularity isn't about fitting in, it's about standing out. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. After all, the most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence. Hey everyone, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video on Dress to Impress, a guide to popular fashion. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fashion tips and tricks. And, as always, I'd love to hear from you. Did you try any of these tips? Do you have a favorite style hack or a fashion trend you'd like to share? Or maybe a request for a future video? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and most importantly, take good care of yourselves. Remember, your style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Celestial greetings, fashionistas. You've journeyed with us through the vibrant realms of style and elegance. If the expedition thrilled you, express your delight by bestowing a thumbs up on this video. Your feedback is our guiding star. Craving more? Yearn no more. Pledge your allegiance to the fashionista family by pressing the subscribe button. A universe of sartorial splendor awaits you, from decoding ensembles to predicting style trends, and a galaxy beyond. The key to this treasure? The notification bell. Strike it and ensure you're the first to explore our fresh uploads. Until our paths cross again in this cosmos of fashion, continue to weave your style story. Remember, your style, your constellation,